Hello guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. The sun is so hot already. It's already 8 o'clock. The sun is very hot. I'll just have how many minutes here to have a sunlight. See, the sun is so hot already. It's already summer guys. Huh? Uh-huh. Happy Sunday. It's a family day today. Enjoy your day together with your family. Oh, very hot already. I need to have sunlight for a while so that I can have a strong immune system, strong bone and muscle, natural vitamin D. But this coming summer, not it's hard to come out because the sun will sunburn your skin. Will burn your skin. The sun will burn your skin. See, oh, very hot already. It's still 8 o'clock. Bye guys. Happy Sunday everyone. Enjoy your day with your family. Bye.